Watcher to Bravo, over.
Laswell, go for 6.
John, Makarov is out.
Say again, Laswell?
Makarov is out. He's on the move, John.
Aboard! Turn us around! Turn us around now!
Shadow 2, Kilo actual. At the port now. Will confirm when cargo's in my possession. Stand by.
Roger that, Kilo.
We're good to go?
So far.
This is a game changer.
Let's hope we never have to use them. Intibu Hawale Kom. Stay on comms.
Roger that.
دينا فرح أمك منيحة؟ هي قوية مثلك. يلا عملت كل شي طلبتيه. حويتك مأمنة والمرسق فاضي، ما في حدا غيرنا.
والمينا؟
مسكر من امبارح.
منيح.
فرح أنا ما خصني بس
قوليلي.
هالهاوية أكيد كتير مهمة.
أكيد.
بعد كل هالسنين صارت أوزبكستان سالمة. نحن عم نعيش حياتنا. ترجاكي اعملي كل شي بوجهتك. نضل هيك. نحن كلنا معك.
ايه أكيد.
حويتك موجودة.
دينا! تبت! تبت!
Echo 3-1. Troops in contact. Kilo's vehicle is down. I say again, troops in the open. Taking effective fire from multiple locations.
Copy that. Hold your position. Shadow 01 to Kilo. Do you read me? Kilo, Vera, do you copy?
This is Kilo. We were ambushed. Dina is KIA.
It's Coney. They're everywhere, Commander.
The missiles. They're going for the missiles.
We can't let them do that, Vera.
I need weapons.
Look for containers with the Shadow insignia. They'll have what you need to fight Coney.
You were shipping more than just missiles.
Plenty more. Lucky for you.
Let's make sure they get what's coming to them. And for both of us, Farah. Should be on the open. Maybe on a table. Go Tigers. Great. Now get to the tower and grab that manifest. Zero to Shadow. Only found one of our containers. They're taking it now. That's one missile gone from there. Only two left. The missiles are all headed to the same location. Please don't check them. Maybe yes, Kilo. Hope you're right. Good attack, Farah. Call sign of survivors. Destruction. Destroy innocent people. The missiles were supposed to prevent this, not cause it. Sometimes that's a business. You're being in the air. Oh, now let's get that manifest before Chloe does. There's enemy fire! Stay the fuck down. Tower's third floor office likely has the records. Is there usually necessary? You tell me. Make your way, Kilo. They're on for you. Say what? How about some gun, please? They're still running. They're on me. Third floor. Heading to the main office. Our matches are organized. That should be easy to go through. Got the manifest. Grace, sending you the info from the manifest. Got it. Cross-referencing with our container numbers. Okay. Got all three container numbers and locations. Only two. Right. Two. God damn. All the shots. Tell me where to go. I'll tackle trackers on the two remaining. Roger that. Let's get to it. Check the cranes. They may be loading out one of those containers now. Copy. Check time, we'll find both. You're watching the speed on. Stop. Hold them off. I got reinforcements heading your way. Okay, head then. We'll do ground after that. Need you to mind. Thank you, Kilo. Echo up.
Wow.
Place those trackers on the missiles, Kilo. We can't lose what's left. Going coming for you, Farah. Watch your ass. They'll load the whole damn fort. Keep at it. The damage don't need to power the track the rest.
communications, last tracker on. Coney's leaving with both the missiles.
Solid copy. You did what needed to be done, Vera. Make sure you do the rest.
Echo, how copy?
Loud and clear, Farah. Coney's pulling up stakes. They got what they wanted.
We live to fight another day. It's not over.
I go to Kilo. You clear?
All clear. Press up.
Roger. Coming your way.
سامحيني يا دينا. رح خليهم يتفاوتوا من بوعدك.
Commander?
Our missiles were meant to be a deterrent. Peace through strength.
It always finds its way back to this place.
It never left.
Russia wants this country.
They can't have it.
What's next?
Tracking those containers.
I'm coming with you.
No. Take care of our KIA and alert our forces. Tell them Russia's back in Urzikstan.
Shadow Company's got us get in the game. They're gonna want a piece of this.
True. There's someone else I have to contact first.
Милена,
С возвращением, Владимир.
ты создала для нас армию?
Дело выгодное и правое.
My comrades, we stand reunited! For your efforts in my absence and our success today, I offer you praise. И наказание. Иван, из-за того, что ты отверг мой план, мы потеряли драгоценное время. Время решает все.
Командир, я принял правильное решение.
Каждый несет ответственности за свои ошибки. Андрей, ты доказал свою преданность. Теперь ты моя правая рука.
Спасибо, командир.
My fellow warriors, I wasn't here, but I was always with you. Since then, our enemies have grown stronger. The ULF has stolen back control of Urzikstan. The time has come for us to show them the meaning of true power. This is a battle of perception. A lie flies while the truth only grows. If you control what people believe, you control the world. This is our weapon. And we will use it as a tool of war to restore glory to Russia. The real Russia! The West, they love their choices. They will have only one. To respond on our terms. Каждая секунда на счету.